Hello and welcome to this Jenkins tutorial video. In this video, I will guide you through the initial setup and configuration steps that need to be done after installing Jenkins. So let's get started. So I have my browser window opened here. I will enter the address of my Jenkins instance that is installed on my Ubuntu virtual machine like this. Here 192.168.205.32 is the IP address of my virtual machine, and 8080 is the default port for Jenkins. If you have, however, installed Jenkins on your local machine, the IP address should be replaced by localhost or the loopback IP address, that is 127.0.0.1. So after entering the address, we get this kind of screen that says unlock Jenkins. So we need to enter the initial admin password here. It also provides a clue on where to find the Jenkins initial admin password that can be used to unlock Jenkins. This path or the location corresponds to a Ubuntu machine or a Linux machine. If you have installed, for example, Jenkins on a Windows machine, then the path is different. So next, I will go to my Ubuntu machine, open a terminal, and find the initial admin password from there. So I will use the cat command to get the contents of the initial admin password file. So it says permission denied. That means I need to use sudo here. I'll enter my password. And I have my initial admin password here. So I will just copy this and go back to the browser and enter this password. I will then click continue. Now it suggests us to install some plugins. It provides two options to install suggested plugins, or we can select the plugins to install. I would recommend to install the suggested plugins so that later on you can uninstall them if you don't want, or just keep them as they are. So I will go with the install suggested plugins here, and now it has started to install the suggested plugins. For example, there is this Git plugin here, and Gradle, SSH build agents, and so on. So it will take some time to install all the plugins, and I will just skip this video a little bit to make it shorter. And the suggested plugins installation has been completed, and now it asks us to create a first admin user. So you can give any username. For example, I will just go with the username administrator, and some password. Confirm password. You can give some name, Jenkins user, or so you can give your full name here, and email address dot user at example.com. So you don't need to worry about this email address here. I'll save and continue. Now it gives me the Jenkins URL once again here, which I had used in the beginning of this initial configuration. We can leave it as it is. We will save and finish. Now we are ready to start using Jenkins. I will click this start using Jenkins button, which will take me to the dashboard of a freshly installed Jenkins, which has some information and clues on what can be done next. This is all for the initial setup and configuration for Jenkins. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you find it helpful and would like to view other video tutorials on Jenkins, please subscribe to this channel, and I will be back soon with a new video. Till then, bye.